Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into a highly anticipated release that's causing ripples in the photography community, the Leica Q4. What makes this compact camera so intriguing, and could it be the game changer we've been waiting for? Leica has long been at the forefront of merging form and function, and with the Q4, we might just see their most innovative leap yet. The Leica Q series has always been about precision, delivering exceptional image quality in a compact, user-friendly design. With each iteration of the Q series, Leica has gradually raised the bar, slowly evolving rather than following the trends of rapid tech updates. The Q series, which began with the Q in 2015, brought Leica's legendary lens quality and superb build into a more accessible format. However, accessible in Leica terms is still a hefty price tag. Fast forward to 2023, the Q3 arrived with significant upgrades like improved ergonomics and the much-anticipated tilting touchscreen, modernizing the series without sacrificing the iconic quality. Now, with the Q4 on the horizon, Leica enthusiasts are eagerly speculating. What's next? Will the Q4 be the perfect balance between professional-grade performance and the portability of a compact? Let's explore the potential features and improvements based on what we've heard so far, as well as some exciting possibilities that could make the Q4 a true standout in the premium compact camera market. Leica Q4, what's new? The heart of any camera lies in its sensor, and the Leica Q4 might just take things to the next level. There are rumors that the Q4 could inherit the 50MP full-frame sensor from the M11, but with significant improvements. Expect Leica to optimize the sensor specifically for the Q series, enhancing its dynamic range and performance in low-light conditions. This would result in sharper images with greater tonal accuracy, making the Q4 even more of a powerhouse in both street and portrait photography. One of the most exciting upgrades could be in the autofocus department. While previous Q models used contrast detection, which, while good, wasn't the fastest, the Q4 might introduce a hybrid autofocus system. Combining phase detection with contrast detection would vastly improve the Q4's ability to track fast-moving subjects, making it a more versatile tool for street photographers and those interested in capturing dynamic action shots. The lens. Will Leica stick with the 28mm f/1.7? The Leica Q series is renowned for its fixed 28mm f/1.7 lens. It's a lens that offers incredibly sharp imagery, perfect for capturing the essence of street photography. But as much as this lens is beloved, it does come with limitations. The fixed focal length is great for wide-angle shots, but not so much for capturing distant subjects. As for the display, the Q4 might feature a fully articulating 3.5-inch touchscreen. This would be a first for the Q series, offering more flexibility for vlogging, shooting from difficult angles, and taking self-portraits. This is a significant upgrade, especially for creators who want to explore a wider range of shooting styles and perspectives. Video capabilities. Finally, a Leica for filmmakers? For years, Leica cameras have been revered by photographers, but filmmakers have been left wanting more. The Q4 might be the Leica camera that videographers have been waiting for, with potential features like 8K recording at 24 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. These specs would position the Q4 as a serious contender for those looking for a compact camera that can capture high-quality video. Connectivity and storage, more flexibility. In today's fast-paced world, connectivity is key, and Leica is reportedly going all in on the Q4. Expect Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, USB-C, and HDMI output, making it easier than ever to transfer and share images or even stream directly. But perhaps the most interesting rumor comes with storage. The Q4 might include an internal 1TB SSD alongside dual SD card slots, offering photographers better flexibility and redundancy, so you won't have to rely on a million SD cards during a shoot. Battery life and weather sealing. Compact cameras have always faced the issue of limited battery life. However, the Q4 might feature a new lithium-ion battery design that boosts the number of shots per charge to nearly 600. This is a significant jump from Q3's 300 shots and would make long shooting sessions more feasible without worrying about running out of power. Price and release date. Of course, with all these enhancements, the Q4 will come at a premium price. The Q3 already starts at nearly $6,000, and with the rumored improvements, such as IBIS, hybrid autofocus, and 8K video, expect the Q4's price tag to reach between $6,500 and $7,500 for the standard model. Limited edition or titanium variants could push the price beyond $8,000. As for the release, based on Leica's history, the Q4 is likely to arrive around 2027. However, with increased competition from brands like Sony and Fujifilm, Leica might feel the pressure to release the Q4 earlier, possibly as soon as 2026. Final thoughts. Is the Q4 your dream compact camera? The Leica Q4 promises to be more than just another camera release. With groundbreaking improvements in autofocus, image stabilization, video capabilities, and storage, it could redefine the concept of the compact camera. If Leica succeeds in addressing the long-standing limitations of the Q series while maintaining its unparalleled build quality, the Q4 might just become the dream camera for many photographers and videographers. What features would make the Leica Q4 your perfect compact camera? Would you upgrade from your current Q3? Or is this the Leica that finally convinces you to enter the world of premium compact cameras? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.